spectrum of, will they take me serious? You always want people to take you seriously. You want to come off as a professional. And not only that, but as you're speaking to these people, you want to be the go-to person. But if you come on Zoom acting like this is your first time on Zoom, you don't know how to work your camera. They're looking up your nose like Mr. Worthy alluded to. You don't want to come on looking like a novice, looking like you're not professional, looking like you don't know what you're doing, and looking like you are not serious. And particularly with business cards, you kind of have to think to yourself, would I feel comfortable giving this business card, not just to a friend or to a family member, but would I feel comfortable giving this business card to a professional? Would I feel comfortable giving this business card to another attorney? Would I feel professional? Would I feel good giving this business card to a doctor? If your answer is yes, then you can probably put a check mark next to, okay, I have a good professional photo, I have a good email address and things of the sort. But, I always kind of think of it in terms of that. If you're talking to somebody in a different profession, a doctor, a lawyer, or things of the sort, would they take you seriously with what you have presented in front of them? If your answer is yes, then chances are everything is good to go.